Girlies, what's up, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am doing the pancake challenge, but why are there two pans? Because
Don't hit me with that.
here's Kelly.
So this is my side. That's hers. Today we will be doing the pancake art challenge, and our theme for the pancakes is
Apps, like
social media.
First round we're gonna do YouTube because that's only fitting because we're on YouTube right now. So, yeah.
Spray the pan, spray the pan. Added a bit of water, and now I feel like it's so soupy. Oh my god, I only added a bit of water. So it may or may not be very, very soupy.
Wait. Shoot, I totally did it wrong. Whatever. I'll lose this round.
This is so thick.
Oh god.
Not smart. Not smart.
You did it wrong.
I mean, there's supposed to be another white square. I did the old one, and it was just red in the white button. You did the new one, I think, right? Don't worry, mine
Look at
looks
that
so much
triangle.
worse. Look at my triangle. It's like, ugh.
Is
Here's
my
our YouTube. Okay,
Shoot, I did that wrong. I keep forgetting that you have to like...
lines first.
Girl, why are you using my pink?
This is my pink.
That's your pink.
Oh, I'm sorry. Look at this. That's not even healthy. Cook. This is my Instagram. Gotta put it down.
Here is my Instagram.
Now, Snapchat. Oh gosh. I need you to yell it really quick.
No.
I just need it really quick. I'm just gonna like use this to fill in. Cook. I need your spatula. I need your...
Whoa, double spatulaing at it.
Ow, I burnt myself.
Hurt yourself more than once.
You can't even see it. Okay, I'm gonna eat my Instagram, but here it is. Huh. I don't know how to eat food all day.
Now what you're gonna do is just form it.
Just make it like scrambled eggs. Like, honestly, I thought I didn't have this in the back, but I really don't. But like, I honestly thought you would beat me.
I think I did. We'll see, because I definitely won on the Instagram.
Mhm.
But who won on the
Comment in
YouTube?
below.
Yeah, comment who you think won down below.
Okay. I'm all done. Here is my Snapchat. Hello.
Kelly has to go right now. Bye, Kelly. Say bye. Oh.
Bye.
Here, this is my Snapchat one, my Instagram one. These are the final pancakes for YouTube. And yeah. Comment down below who you think won. This was kind of fun, kind of weird, but food. Yay. Until next time, Illuminati. You see, it's the Illuminati. As always. Confirm.
People always talk about the ones that got away. I just seem to get the ones that...
Oh my god.